Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I am going to attempt to do the infinity pour if I'm coordinated enough to do it. So this was actually discovered by Mixed Media Girl and her daughter, and was watching Tish from Naptime Creation do one, and she kind of challenged me a little bit and said, try it, you can do it. So I'm going to try it. So the colors that I'm going to be using is this Color Shift Black Flash. This is Extreme Sheen Garnet. This is Dazzling Metallic Amnesty. This is Extreme Sheen Pearl. This is Dazzling Metallics in Teal. And this is Extreme Sheen in the Sapphire. So, the whole premise of this is to try to do 2 cups at one time. So, let's get started. So, I'm just going to start layering these into my cup. We'll start here with the Black Flash, the Garnet, the Amnesty, a little more Black Flash, Garnet, and end it with Amnesty. So on this side, we'll start with the Pearl, the Teal, Sapphire Blue, and then repeat. So I have no idea how I'm going to do this. I can't do the pat your head and rub your tummy at the same time either. So Tish told me to practice before I started, so that's what I'm doing there. Alright, here we go. Oh Lord. This is really kind of harder than you would think. Trying to make sure you're going in circles and that you're covering up everything you need to cover. That looked like fun. Alright, I do have to admit this was fun to do. So we're going to do a little bit of heat and then we're going to tilt. So I saw some cool cells look like they were trying to pop, so I decided to add some more heat. And then I'm just going to slowly go around in a circle with the canvas. Holy mackerel, y'all. This is looking so cool. I really didn't think I was going to be able to do this. I thought I would have a mess everywhere. And it is a little awkward or whatever to try to coordinate both your hands to go in circles at the same time. But the results are stunning. This is so cool. A little bit more down here in this one corner. And I can tell y'all, I'm going to do this again. This was so much fun. So thank you, Tish, for the encouragement. Thank you, Marcy and Sierra, for your ingenious idea. This is great. So if y'all have not tried this technique yet, let me encourage you to do it. And video it. I want to see how you do yours too. So I want to thank y'all for watching. If you have enjoyed watching me try to be coordinated, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that now and ring the bell, and you'll get notified when I upload future videos. If you have any comments or questions about this one, please leave it in the comment section below. I love to hear y'all's feedback. So we can wrap this one up, let it dry, and you'll probably see this one again when it's time to resin it or varnish it, whatever I decide to do. But look at these cells that's popping up. Is that not awesome? And it's not showing right here on this, but there is that shimmering color to all those metallics that's in there.